Hello guys, my name is Obed and you're welcome to Python Beginners course with me. Today we'll be doing something simple and we'll be joining two or more strings, and we will also be doing data type conversion. Taking the first one, joining two or more strings. Whenever we do that, we call that, or is termed as concatenation. Concatenation, as I said, is adding two or more strings. Alright, so we can have something like 13 plus mint, and I have 13 mint. Alright, or we can have 13 mint plus media, and you have 13 mint media. So yeah, you realize that I'm actually adding two strings together. With strings, addition is possible, and even multiplication of strings is also possible. So we can have something like 13 mint multiplied by 2, and I have 30 mint. You know, it's when you perform multiplication with it, it repeats it, or it repeats that particular string the number of times you are actually multiplying it with. Note, you can't perform division with it, alright, and you can't perform quotient or modulus with string, but well, it's good that we can actually add them and then we can multiply. When it comes to the addition, it has to be of the same data type. That is the most important stuff. Like for instance, the example we have above here, they are of the same data type. But if I have something like 13 mint, alright, or let's say 13, let me say I have 13 and then plus 2. Right, 13 here is a string, and then 2 here is an integer. The moment I hit the enter key, I get a traceback error. So how do I solve this? And this is where we come to data type conversion, being able to convert one data type to the other data type so that we can actually work with. So for instance, with the 13, what I can do to solve this situation is that I can make the 13 an integer by using the int function to wrap around the 13 string plus 2. Yeah, and then now I have the actual calculation being performed on the screen. So now the moment I wrap it with the int function, it becomes an integer. Or maybe I can even use a float, say float 13 plus 2, and I have 15.0. Okay, so we can convert data types in so many ways. We can convert strings. That's what I meant to say, not data types. We can convert strings to different data types, and also floats and ints can also be converted. Okay, so as we are able to do this, we learned about the input function, and then we also got to know that the input function accepts strings by default, and we can perform these same data type conversion operations with the input function. So for instance, if I want to accept a value, let's say an integer, using the input function, and all I have to do is that I wrap the input function with an integer, and then maybe say enter an integer, Now the moment I'm being prompted to enter an integer and I enter, let's say 8 is converted by the int function right over here into an integer, because by default 8 will be seen as a string. So the moment you hit the enter key, you have 8 shown on your screen as an integer, and this can be used to perform calculations. So that's it for today, and I hope to see you in the next video tutorial. Thanks for watching.